Everton 1 and Manchester United 0, and we get Oga Olawe, be very evangelistic Manchester United fan. Make it tell us about how in see this match. Oga Ola, I know say this one not be the result where you expect, but now how you see Manchester United performance for this game, and now what do you think say go wrong?
Hmm. The performance no dey okay at all. And
Mm,
na just the user performance we Manchester United fans don dey see. So e no suppose
yeah.
shock us, e no suppose surprise us at all. It no be new thing. Throughout the season, performance don dey up and down. But I feel so far this performance don na im be one of the worst performances wey I don see. Even though our performance never did good in the last couple of games because
Mm,
nothing there for the game. The players no show anything. The effort level they poor. They no even like put in a sheet. And the top say no be every time no be all about scoring 10 goals. Sometimes you could get bad days, sometimes you get bad games. But the effort, the level where you put, the type of performance where you put, sometimes if you get hard luck, you know to score goals and all, but put in a very
mm.
good performance, which we no see at all from the players. So at this point, I don't even know which is the problem. Today on anybody where they blame coach or anything, today on you put them on the coach because these players don't show anything at all to show say they what players wey suppose dey play for Manchester United.
For Manchester
Na
United.
very poor performance from the players today.
All right now, Gaola, you talk say this performance, not be the one where you and the rest Manchester United fans they expect because even if say the team no get the results on a one the season, the players they put effort, they try. That one if they still lose, people no go to complain say now
Yeah.
so it be now why it be. But make I ask you, Gaola, when this season starts, a lot of football lovers, inclusive of me, I think say Manchester United suppose they compete for the league title when I look the players, the quality of players when Man U gets already and the ones when join the team. But now what do you think say don't go wrong to the start of the season? That ginger because I talked to many Manchester United fans when tell me say they expect the team to compete for the league title by this season. But if we look the league table now currently, even top four self not be like waiting man you go smell for the way they go. Now, what do you think say they go wrong? Because on paper, Manchester United get one of the best squad for this league. But if they put all of them for pitch, it could be like say they also go pick 11 players so they don't know 11 strangers so they work out for road for feet. What do you think say they go wrong? Why man you know if they replicate the quality where they get on paper for inside field?
I feel say we get a lot of players for our squad where we say most
Mm,
of them in the first place they come to club for the money. They no come because of say they want play ball and the passion of football. Which you feel look at that from the defense to the attack. For the defense, we get
mm,
Maguire. We buy Maguire for 80 plus million. Maguire no be player we worth 40 million. But because of money, they, they buy him come now. Now he's showing the real quality wey him be. Na the normal way wey Maguire be no be say na anything. But because we ourselves we dey see am like say na
na
prime
star.
Sergio Ramos or na star player and no be star player.
Mm,
Look at our right back, our left back. Football don evolve. Now we dey see wing backs. We see the likes of Robertson, the likes of Alexander Arnold. We get old fashioned right back of Luke Shaw, and Wan-Bissaka, and even Alex Telles and Dallas wey be say na dem even fit the attack. The quality no dey there because for a very long time they no dey play. Now until Afadli come, we start to see Alex Telles and Diogo Dalot
and
dey play
Diego
for there.
Dalot.
So things like this coming into the midfield. Yes, because coming into the midfield, we get Fred. Fred no be defensive midfielder. But Shaka Donetsk when we buy him, he know dey play defensive midfielder. But we now want make him play there. McTominay na average player. We all know. He go put in the shit. He go run up and down. But no, the only defensive midfielder we get na Matic. And Matic don old. Matic no fit give us that level of performance when he dey give when he dey Chelsea. And
Mm,
when he dey younger, look at Bruno. I get issue with Bruno. I know say a lot of United fans and even me, I know say Bruno try when he come to the club when the club dey down, he try get goals, get assists. But Bruno, we know dey fit maybe because of the little things wey he don do, fans no dey fit tackle am, which me I go do because look at him performances. The simple things. Sometimes as a midfielder, you got to do the simple passes. Bruno they always want to do the high passes, the highlights, one
mm.
each one long pass when no dey on, and he don't do anything well well. He dey lose the ball well. Look at Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba don dey Man U for how many years now? He never still reach that standard. We fit argue say fine the players wey dey play around am no be the level of the quality because they see how they replicate that quality for France and other clubs. But when it comes to Manchester United, the performance has been poor. Maybe not because the position where they play or we fit bring in any excuse. But at the end of the day, that quality player, it should be giving more than he's giving. The work rate no dey there. So look at the attack. We get Marcus Rashford. Rashford now one player we say everybody they tip to reach high level to achieve
Mm.
results to break the records of the likes of Rooney and the rest. But look at how the performance is. Even the way they play the ball, I say he no even ready to play. Like I say just the first time to come play. And I play for Manchester United. This is one of the biggest club in football history. But not to show for am. Same, fine. People Ronaldo na goat. We know say na him be na one of the greatest player of all time. We know. But at the end of the day, if you get Ronaldo, no expect Ronaldo to match. You don't know say that shot one when it comes to matching, when it comes to running around. But he go score the goals for you, give him the chances. But this season, couple of times Ronaldo too don't miss chances. We don't watch games where we say Ronaldo dey throw away good chances, 2 or 3 chances in the game. So even the Ronaldo no be the level where he dey before na he dey, which as an human being you know because age no dey inside, he no dey old. Cavani he no gree play, injury every day, which you know say he dey injury prone. So this problem, apart from even the players, who dey sign these players in the first place? Who dey price these players to come in by force? Football no be do or die. If you wan play for the club, you go show the interest wey you wan play. It's not all about money. All our players, all of them come our club because say we offer them huge amount of money. If I start to tell you amount wey many players dey collect, even the cheapest player, the likes of Lingard, the likes of Juan wey dey bench, the money wey dey collect sef it double some players wey be say dey start for Chelsea, some players wey be say dey start for Arsenal. All these things too na problem. See, because I say as a footballer, number one, you just get passion to play the game. If you get passion to play the game, you go always put in your all. Man U players wey put in their all at all. So a lot of Man U fans don't see this thing. As we sign Ronaldo, we sign Rafael Varane, Man U go carry league. I never said that. As a Manchester United fan, I never opened my mouth to say
Mm.
because we go carry league. Or even the top four, fine. I believe those will challenge for top four, but that league owner no believe am because Manchester United don't show me over the years wetin they fit do. With a skill for Sancho, last 2 years, all Man U fans won't cry say Sancho no come. No be Sancho dey there now. Fine, Sancho don't get some decent performances, but he's not at that level that he's supposed to be. We know what actually do for Dortmund. Fine, we know it's a different league from the English Premier League, but the quality is there. So why are these players not bringing their quality? Most people go pin them on the coach. Some people go say Rafadnik, no, now all talk, get press and that. These players look like who want press. They don't look like who want press. They're not ready to put in the effort. Apart from the first and second game where they come in against Crystal Palace, remember you play like say they won't die, and against
Mm.
young boys. Since that time, we don't see any game press. Even the coach, if you look at him, we don't say he's not frustrated because if they feel like okay, me and these players will train, and they show these players to do, but when it comes to the pitch, they are not doing anything.
They know they don't.
And I listen a Twitter space before I come on this show.
Mm.
The guys they talk say Ragnick he just dey talk this and that. Say I say at the end of the day the coach no go play ball. Coach na to just train the players and give them the opportunity. But at this point, these players are not delivering what they should be doing on the pitch. Today's game na vital from minute
All
one
right.
to the end of the game. No
All right.
interest, nothing.
All right, now go around real quick. Make we do the player rating real quick. We just do on toilet. Make we start from the attack on front. Cristiano Ronaldo. Now, what do you go rating performance today on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give him five, average five, because he no get anything to do for the game. No chance that I can no create chance for him. And
Okay.
you know really get anything to do.
All right, Marcus Rashford, Bruno Fernandes, and Jadon Sancho. What do you go rate them?
Because Rashford, nah, I'll give him four. Because at the beginning of the game, he gets a couple of chances from
Mm.
after like the first 12 to 15 minutes into the normal Marcus Rashford, who we don't know for the past few games. With Bruno Fernandes done this shit for a while. Now this season, his performance don't really drop from performance when they say Bruno the team. I'll just give him like a standard five. And Jadon Sancho in the second half, towards the 70th to the end of the match, he
Mm.
tried some things, dribbles, putting crosses. I'll give him like six. I'll give him Saudi.
Okay. Matic and Fred. Even if you say Fred injured, come out for the game early. What do you go rate the two of them?
Matic and Fred, the goal where we concede, the two of them and they inside the goal. So at the end of the
Mm.
day, Fred performance today no dey on the level where they say he don't be. Fred don't be one of our best players in the past few games, but this particular game,
Yeah.
the performance, so even good as he come out with the injury, maybe the game for them was I didn't say today. So I will give Fred a
Okay.
4 because that pass when he passed to Match was very suspect pass, even though
Mm.
Match is supposed to do better. I'll give Match a 5, but Match still try. He try to like for inside all the midfielders, now he still be one who say try to do something, even though now he take defensive more for inside the midfielders. So I'll give him 5.
All right, now we'll go the back four. Alex Telles, Harry Maguire, Lindelof, and Wan Bissaka. What do you grade them?
Alex Telles na I think I say na him be like the best player for this game. They
Mm.
go for him go forward a lot, putting some crosses, even though some crosses, some of the crosses no dey good, but he was making the runs, he was doing better. Harry Maguire, I will give him a 2. Not because of anything, but because now he be the captain of this football club. And for you to be a
Mm.
captain of Manchester United, you should be offering way more than Maguire they offer. Fine, the goal na deflection, the goal hit am enter. But apart from that one, Maguire no show anything. Every time we defenders dey go against Maguire, he go dey fear because he go dey shake. And na him be captain of our club. Solution gas coming to that Maguire issue. Lindelof, him try, he no really see anything do. But
Mm.
I'll just give him a standard 5. But Wan
Okay.
Bissaka, the only thing we go maybe give Wan Bissaka 5 now because of the clearance when he make when they almost scored the second goal. That's the only reason we go make me give am 5 to that. Because the
Mm.
performance na very shit performance today. Going forward,
Okay.
nothing. Wan Bissaka no dey offer anything going forward. But defensively, in the try.
All
Just
right.
I'll just give am 5.
Okay. What about David Deja? What do you grade him?
David De Gea, like now he don't suffer pass from our problem because we've watched games. We see in there always they make saves or concede. But at
Mm.
the end of the day, he ends up conceding 2 goals, sometimes 3 goals, sometimes like today now this 1 goal. So at the end of the day, people no go see how much in they save us sometimes because if not for those mistakes when they make, we no go even do what we did today. Maybe not like 10 or 12 we dey for today. So
Okay.
I'll just give am standard 5 also because na still having of my he no really get wetin to do. But the one chance where they na deflection, you know people blame am. So I'll just give am 5.
All right. Now, what about Paul Pogba, Paul Pogba, Elanga, and Mata? What do you grade them?
When people are common, in the try a little, they move the ball, they hit some long balls. By the end of the
Mm.
day, with Pogba, people they always dey question am. But anybody wey know Pogba from his days in Juventus know say Pogba no be one man player, no be one man midfielder wey fit give everybody go score. He needs support of the players around am. We see am for Juve, we see am for France, but for Man U, we never
Mm.
really see am. So anybody wey dey blame Pogba, before we buy am, we know wetin we buy. So now we say we wan buy am by force. So no be the player force say we carry close to 90 million go buy am. But for this game, he just like he do the simple things, lay the pass, like he get one shot where they say the keeper catch, just try to do a few things. So I don't give him a 5 also. It matter.
Okay.
So left to me, Wamata knows the game I use. Wamata is very old. No be Wamata
Mm.
of Chelsea days. We know what we get from we know what we get from Wamata when he dey in prime. But now Wamata is done. It's not even be the same. I
Okay.
don't know why they renew his contract. But he coming on, it didn't really make a difference because we were not able to create much. So I was just giving him a 5. But Elanga, as Elanga puts in the shit. You know, say with a player like Elanga, you always get the shit, you always put
Yeah.
the effort, always running around and trying to make things happen. So not the fact that we lose the game, safe, nobody's supposed to get past 5. So I'll still give him a standard 5.
Okay. All right, now, Gaola, real quick before we end this match reaction. Any hope for Manchester United for this top four?
I just surprised say they asking that question. Top four don't they done since the last before the last 2 or 3 years. Top four don't they done because now it's hard. It's even harder now. The fact that we don't lose
Mm.
today. Even if they get any hope before now, the hope don't go. I
Okay.
as a matter of United fan, I don't want Europa, I don't want Conference League, I don't want any of this European competition. I want us to be out
Competition.
of everything. Yes, and start afresh with the rumors where they go on, with the say we go bring in a Ten Hag, this
Eric
and
Ten
that.
Hag.
Any coach will they come in, and I don't even care at this point. But we need to do a proper review. Even though when they do things now just beating around the bush, just waiting on there before 90 days there. So now we need a revamp of this squad and start the review afresh. We need the help of the board. The board if they want proof, say all the old insult that they get, they no deserve them. Now they got support this new coach to come over all
Mm.
this team and start afresh because this United team don't get done. And if next season come and we see continue with support of these players, we no get anything to offer anywhere. And and that's the end of my side. That
All right, now, Oga, thank you for your time. And we hope say real soon Manchester United will begin put smile for your face and for the faces of all the rest
hopefully,
of Manchester United fans.
oh,
Thank you for your time.